Hello guys, thank you for joining me. I am Gaurav and in this video we learn about how to draw body poses easily step by step. Let's start. Let's start with the easy body poses from the back side. First draw the oval for the head and draw the 8 parallel lines for the right body proportion and write name of it from the upper side 8 7 6 5 4 3 2 1. After drawing the oval, draw the stick line for the body proportion and draw another oval for the chest and a oval for the back of the, and after that draw the bone line for the leg. After completing the bone line of the leg, draw the bone line of the hand. She is in relaxing pose and grab the corner of the wall, so you have to focus on the hand proportion. Draw the bone line of the hand in right proportion. If you don't know the proportion of the hand, then write in the comment. I will make a video on that in next video. It is from back side, so first we draw hand and at the end we draw the hair of the back side. Drawing the hand in the right proportion, the right side, erase all the waistline. After that, draw the finger. Elbow is on the 5 number and it is on the middle of the chest and back. After that, drawing the finger, put a line for showing the wall, then draw the another hand in right way. Erase all the waistline which is not used now. Erase all waistline properly. After that, drawing the finger, we see grab another side of the wall, corner of the wall. Then start drawing the body proportion. And near the pelvis, we have to draw little bit curved back. Pelvis is near the fore. It's little bit curved, and leg is curved because she is in relaxing pose. So you have to draw a curved leg for this. Then draw another leg. Another leg is more curved. She put another leg in front. After drawing the another leg, we have to erase all the waistline which is not used now. Now outline of the body proportion is completed. After drawing the outline, we add outline of the hair and add some details in the hair for more realistic view. After drawing the hair, we add some simple cloths which is transparent in view. She is relaxing after bath. A cloth like a towel she wear in hand and side. We erase the body proportion which is in back of the cloth, not complete because it is transparent cloth. After erasing all that, we add some details in the cloth. Now start the second pose. Second pose is bending girl who is holding the pipe. Let's start with the oval for the head. After drawing the oval, his face is little bit curved, so oval is curved. After drawing the oval, bone line for the body and a circle for the oval for the pelvis and oval for the chest. After that draw the bone line for the leg. Front leg is little bit curved and back leg is straight. Face is little bit curved, so we have to draw the right proportion for the face. After drawing the right proportion of the face, we start with the eye. If you don't know the right proportion of the face, then comment in down. I make video on that. Then draw the nose. Face is little bit curved, so one side of the mouth is small and one side of the mouth is little bit long. We have to focus on the right proportion of the mouth. Then draw the side view of the face. It is 3-side view of the face. She is a girl, so hair proportion is near the eye and face is little bit curved, so hair is down. After drawing the hair, we draw the side of the neck. And if you don't know the body proportion, watch previous image. We draw the parallel line for the body proportion. After that, we focus on the figure of the girl. It's little bit curved, more curved. Erase all the waistline and focus on the back of the girl. One hand is holding the pole, so it's one hand is back and another hand is in the back of the girl, so it's not shown in this photo. Draw in right view of the hand. Erase all the waistline. Hand is a little fat, so you have to erase and again draw in the right proportion. Erase all the waistline for looking realistic. After drawing the hand, draw the back of the girl. Back of the girl is little bit curved because one leg is up and one leg is straight. It's more curved than normal because she is bending rightward. After drawing the right proportion of the front leg, draw the right proportion of the back leg. Back leg is curved and upper from the front leg. Erase all the waistline. And draw the line for the stomach. After that, draw the finger of the front hand, which is holding the pole. so it's curved, and draw the side for the pole. Add a line for the breast line. After drawing all the outline, draw the hair, outline of the hair, and add some details in the hair. The right side of the hair is curved because it is bending, and it's straight. After drawing the hair, we add some details for the cloth. She is wearing short cloth, so draw for more realistic view. Add some cloth and see. And draw some dress for the leg. Thank you for watching, friend. What you want to learn, please write in the comment below. And if you like this video, please like, share and comment. And if you still not subscribe my channel, then please subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.